you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a follow-up to my top 10 drugstore products under $10, and I kind of figured I would do a makeup tutorial, which I did with this look that I'm wearing right now. And everything on my face is pretty much under $10, which you guys know I love drugstore products. I think they're so affordable and they're good in quality. So I kind of figured, you know, I'd share with you guys some top 10 favorite products under $10. So why not show you guys how to create a look using the top 10 products. Keep in mind, I did not use the exact same products from that video. I wanted to kind of like switch it up and just feature some other products that I have in my collection that is under $10 to give you guys a variety of items to just kind of look at and choose from. So kind of keep that in mind. And I love the way the look came out. I think it's really pretty. It's definitely more like glam and bold, more so for like nighttime than daytime. I did feature one new product in this video, which is going to be my Makeup Revolution. It is the Iconic Pro Salvation Palette. Here is the packaging. And then here is the inside of the palette. I did tell you guys in the video it's a dupe to the Lorac eyeshadow palette, which is, it pretty much is super affordable. I only use 4 colors in this palette, so I can't speak in terms of how the other eyeshadows perform, but the 4 that I did use I definitely enjoyed. And the palette does retail for $4.99 from TJ Maxx, so it's a really good deal as well. And yeah, I pretty much loved where the eyeshadow look came out. Again, I think it's really fun, and you know, it doesn't look like drugstore in my opinion. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see some other videos from me, leave me some suggestions in my comment section, because I do like to read your comments and just kind of like interact with you guys. So let me know in the comment section below some other videos that you guys want to see me do on my channel, because I do want to film videos that you guys want to see. So if you want to see how I created this cute, fun, glam drugstore makeup look for under $10, then of course just keep watching. Alright, so starting off the look, I'm just going to use for my eyeshadow primer, it's going to be the Milani eyeshadow primer. It is a lightweight invisible finish. And then for my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the one by Makeup Revolution. It's their Iconic Pro. It's their Salvation palette, which actually is a dupe to the Lorac palette. So here is the one by Makeup Revolution. And then I'm actually going to show you the one by Lorac with that one side by side so you guys can see. So the one by Lorac is right here on top. Makeup Revolution is right here on the bottom, so you can see it's a straight up dupe for that one. So if you never purchased the one by Lorac, which is actually amazing by the way, you can get the one by Makeup Revolution, which I haven't tried yet, so we'll be trying that one today. So it's going to prime my eyes. All right, then going into the palette, it does have the name on this little like paper right here, but I'm not going to use that for the name purposes. I'm just going to point to you guys the colors that I'm using. So starting off, I'm going to take this really pretty light brown color, which is right here. I'm just going to throw that into my crease. And then for my lid, I'm going to take this really pretty grayish silver color and pop that onto my lid. And then for my outer V, I'm just gonna take this really pretty matte black and throw that into my outer V. All right, and then for my lid, I'm gonna take this NYX liquid crystal liner. It's the one called Crystal Gunmetal. It's a really pretty silver color. I'm just going to put that on top of my lid. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna table on the eyes for a while and jump into the face. For my face primer, I'm gonna use the one by Pixi. It's the H2O Skin Drink. It's a pure hydration gel. And then I'm going to use by e.l.f. is the Color Correcting Stick in Orange Corrector to correct my dark spots. And for my foundation, I'm going to use by Maybelline. It's a Super Stay foundation. I have it in 340 Cappuccino, which I featured on my channel once already. And then for my concealer, I'm going to use by Maybelline. It's the Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's the one in the shade called Golden. I'm just going to go ahead and do my face and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so for bronzer and blush and highlighter, I'll be taking for my bronzer and blush is the NYX Cheek Contour Dual Palette in the color called Wine and Dine. So it is a split palette. So you have your contour shade and your blush shade right here. And then for my highlighter, I'll be taking by Wet n Wild is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals, which is this really pretty color right here. Alright, for lips, I'm just going to take a 3-step combo. It's going to be the NYX Lip Liner in Espresso. And then I have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the color called, it's number 316, Statement Nude. And then I have the LA Color High Shine Lip Gloss. So I'm going to apply all three to my lips. I'm just going to see how it looks. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm pretty much like loving the look. Everything was under $10, which I was trying to go for. So as you can see, you can create a nice glam look without having to go overpriced. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.